Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Quest for Knowledge. Today we are going to discuss from the model paper all the practical oriented question, which is very easy. In a very easiest manner you can get 10 marks. So we are going to discuss all the practical oriented question which is asked in the model paper of 2022. So let's get started with the first question, which is a consumer wants to consume two goods. The price of banana is rupees 5 and the price of mango is rupees 10. The consumer income is rupees 40. Okay, now in that we need to calculate how much banana can she consume if she spends her entire income on that good, how much mangoes can she consume if she spends her entire income on that good, is the slope of budget line downward or upward, or the bundles on the budget line equal to the consumer's income or not. If you want to have more of bananas, you have to give up mangoes. Is it true? Okay, now let's go through with the explanation. So what is the question number 1? How much she will consume if she spend her entire income on banana. So what we are going to do is we'll take 5x plus 10 as 0 is equals to her entire income is 40. So 10 zeros are 0, so that it gets cancelled over there, and 5x is equals to 40. So x will take it aside and 40 divided by 5. So x is equals to 8. So we have got the first answer, that if she consumes her entire income, if she spend her entire income, she can consume 8 of the bananas. We have done now with the first thing. Second is, if she consumes all the mangoes in her entire income, how much she will consume? So that we will do the opposite now. 5 zeros are 0 as it is, it got cancelled. 10 into y, okay, is equals to 40. Now y we will keep it aside, and 40 divided by 10, y is equals to 4. So that we have got the answer, that she will consume 4 mangoes in her entire income. Now the third question is the slope of budget line is always downward or upward? So the answer for that is always downward. Why? That also we can explain. If she consume high of the banana, less of the mango, less of the banana, then high of the mango, by that it will always slope downward itself. So that is also we have done. Now the third question which is asked, are the bundles on the budget line equal to the consumer income or not? Yes, the bundles of the budget line is equal with the consumer income. Yes, it is equal. And the last question, if you want to have more of the bananas, do you need to give up mangoes? Is it true? True, yes, because of the yes, true, you have to write down, that is it. If you want to have more of the bananas, you have to give up mangoes, and it is true. By that we have completed this one. So now we'll move on to the second question. As you can see here, compute the total revenue, marginal revenue and average revenue schedule in the following table. When the market price of the each unit of the good is rupees 10. Now the answer is given, market price is given to us. By that, keeping this information, we need to calculate total revenue, marginal revenue and average revenue. So let's do that. As per the question, the quantity is already given, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and the price is also given, that it is 10 rupees. So constantly we'll write down the 10 10 10 as it is. Okay, and after that we need to calculate the total revenue. The formula to calculate the total revenue is quantity into price. 0 into 10, 1 into 10, 2 into 10, 3 into 10, 4 into 10, 5 into 10, 6 into 10. So many of the students, what do? The mistake is that they don't take this constantly, as it is they take the total revenue as 10 rupee, which please don't make that mistake. Okay, price is different and quantity is also given. So based on the quantity you need to multiply, by that only we will get the total revenue. When we have got the total revenue, it is very easy now to calculate the marginal revenue and the average revenue. Formula for the marginal revenue is total revenue N minus total revenue N minus 1, and formula for average revenue is total revenue divided by quantity. Okay, so what we are going to do, we're gonna take the upper part. Okay, 10 is 10 minus 0 is 10, 20 minus 10 is 10, 30 minus 20 is 10, 40 minus 30 is 10, 50 minus 40 is 10, 60 minus 50 is 10. Now what we are going to do, we are going to find out the average, so that 0 divided by 0 will be 0, nothing. 10 divided by 1 will be 10, 10 divided by, okay, 20 divided by 2 will be 10, 30 divided by 3 will be 10, 40 divided by 4 will be 10, 50 divided by 5 will be 10, 60 divided by 6 will be 10. By that we have completed this also. Easily you can get the 5 marks. I hope this helped. Now we will move on to the third question, which is write a short note on demonetization. So the question demonetization. So in a general manner also you can write what is mean by demonetization. That the government took a very new initiative in India on November 2016 to tackle the problem of corruption, black money, terrorism, circulation of fake currency in the economy. So the old notes which is in the denominator of 500 and thousands were no longer legal, and new currency notes were given in the denomination of 500 and 2000 was launched. So the public were advised to deposit their old currency in the bank account till 31st December 2016 without any declaration, and from 31st March 2017 with RBI with declaration. So to avoid a complete breakdown and cash crunch, note government had allowed exchange of 4,000 old currency by new currency per person per day. So further till 12 December 2016, old currency notes were acceptable as a legal tender at only petrol pumps, government hospitals, and for payment of government dues like tax bill, power bills, etc. So the move had both merits and demerits. Okay. There were long queues outside bank and ATM booths. The shortage of currency in circulation were the demerits, and the merit was that people were started to pay tax. Okay, and the saving accounts also increased with the increase in resources for banks to which they made their loans at lower interest cost. So that is all about demonetization. You may write it in a very general form also, but the concept based you need to write. So by that you can easily get 5 marks. Why? Because this is like surely you're gonna get these questions for sure. So the answer for the last question is that we need to write the currencies of any 5 countries. So we can take India rupee, which is very easy. After that USA, we can write about the United States dollar. Okay, and apart from that, what we can write, which is very easy, is Chinese, it's yuan, and Japan, it's yen. Germany, it's European euro. Okay, and UK, we are having the pound sterling, which is name is pound sterling. Argentina is peso. UAE is dirham. Bangladesh has taka. Russia has a Russian ruble. So it's very, which is easiest manner, you can take India rupee, Japan yen, China yuan, UK dollar, United Kingdom pound, or else UAE dirham, or Bangladesh taka, or Argentina peso. Whichever is easy for you, you may take any 5 of the currencies and you may write it. By that easily you can score 5 marks. So in this we have learned to score like blindly. We can score 10 marks. So do bit like try to put bit of effort so that you can easily get 10 marks, and it will play a major role for the passing marks. Okay, and those who are wanting to score centum also, it is going to be beneficial for them. Those who are thinking to have a passing package, for them also it is going to be very beneficial. So if you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe, and comment your suggestions in the comment box, and hit the bell icon so that you can get all my latest updates and notification. And do support to my channel, share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.